Hello guys, welcome back again. This is Suresh from Mr. Automation channel. Today we will see one of the coding interview question. The question is how to find the special characters, numbers, characters with lowercase, character with uppercase from a given string using a simple technique. So let's see how we can decode this question. So I have taken a string here, and in the new line I wanted to get a few things. One is declaration with int for lowercase. So declaration and initialization with a 0 and upper equals 0, numbers equals 0, and we need a special characters. For specials I will just keep 0 as well and end with semicolon. Right, now this is a string, so we need to know what is the string length, and later we can do another step. So to get the string length, first of all we need to get using a loops. So for this I'm using a for loop. So in the for I wanted to iterate this. So for that I will take int I equal to array starts from 0, so we will take 0, and next one is I less than, because it starts with 0 if we have a 10 characters, so which means that array starts from 0 and end with 9. So we don't know what is the exact length of my string. This may get changed during a dynamic value input. So for that I will take str dot length, and I wanted to iterate this I and open a loop. Now we got the loop here. So in this loop what I will do is I will convert this entire string into the character. So how I can change to a character array? So you can pause and answer this question. So to change it I wanted to take char, so car, okay, maybe I will do only ch, okay, char and str dot. So what we need to do here, character at index. So what is that index? Index will be I, which is iterating with my string which has a length, right? So this is the line we need to use, and after that it is very simple. So this is the main thing that we have done, and next thing is using some if conditions. So my char if my char is greater than or equal to capital A, and char is less than or equal to capital Z. So this is to get the characters which is having between capital A to capital Z. If I get that, so I wanted to do my character, uppercase character, to be incremented. So for that I will use upper plus plus and with semicolon. And in the next line, so if one if condition is done, then if else, else if, again same thing, char is greater than or equal to. So this time I will take small character of A and smaller case. So this is for smaller case, ch, which is less than or equal to capital or small z. And this is also I will open a loop. Now this is lower plus plus and with semicolon. And after that again one more else if same thing, ch greater than or equal to 0 and character is less than or equal to 9. So this is numbers incremented. So I need to get number plus plus, and finally else this is a special plus plus and with semicolon. Right. So all the condition is done. So whenever I get this condition, so capital letters, small letters, numbers, and special characters. So after that, I need to print them. So to print, I will use this outs. So for that, again, I will use. All right. So my program is ready. Using with simple loops condition and if conditions, we can decode this string program. So now I will run this program. Right click anywhere and run as Java application. And I need to save this. So now you can see number of special characters for 14 and number of characters I think I kept in the for loop. Again save and run as Java application. Right, you can see number of uppercase characters are 12, number of lowercase characters are 10, and numbers are 7, and you have a special characters 14. So this is how you can decode this entire string and you can get the exact number of characters. Hope this small session is helpful for you. In case if you have any question, do post in my comment box. I will help you out. If the session is helpful for you, do post a like and share with a colleague. Thank you.